Hello, if you like to write and would like to make some money out of your writing, I'm going to share with you a GitHub link today where you will find different programs. These are for mostly technical, but you can also have a look at the uh, this non-technical. So I'll post both links. The non-technical is way longer, but for a technical writer, the technical writer in you, because maybe let's say um, you like to write an article about APIs. Maybe you have seen a couple of my videos where I present to you some APIs. It's called Fun with APIs. Or since we're on um, a testing channel, you can have a look at test-driven IO. So you can get between 300 up to $500 for writing about about almost anything that's related or application related. And in most cases, these links will point to um, the information on how you can be an author. Not always, but 90%. I tested about 90% of them. And you can just have a look. You can just read, and I'm pretty sure you will find at least one of these links which will appeal to the writer in you. And why not give it a go? I mean, getting $500 for writing something which about a, a subject which you're passionate about, I guess that it's just a win-win situation. I hope you like this video, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye bye.